Is Windows failing to load because of the Msrating Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before diving into the Msrating library technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the Msrating Library, the Windows Ratings and Content Advisor library. It manages localized content filtering and localized website blocking rules based on localized security manifests and parental control settings. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Because Msrating Library DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open Command Prompt with administrative rights and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Msrating library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of Msrating Library DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and Msrating library synchronization. Thank you for trusting us with Msrating library repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.